Hello and welcome back to our database project phase 3 video. For this assignment, we were asked to make different reports that the user is able to look at. So here in our welcome page, we're able to click phase 3 reports. And one of those is what was the most expensive items in each category. And if we were to click on this one, we're able to see all the different categories and the highest price for each item. So here's cell phone, 100. Laptop 699, and it keeps going on with all these different categories. And just to verify this, we're able to go to items here in the database. And if you look one by one, you're able to see that they're all there. Like for example, electronics has a lot, but the highest item would be this PS5, which is $500. And in the table, we're able to see that here. All right. Now the next one is users who posted 2 items on the same day. For this one, we're just going to go to the database just to verify which one we want to use. Um, Here you could see the user good items posted 2 different uh, category items on the same day, which is on the 5th. So if we were to click or choose furniture and home for category X and Y, furniture and home, you're able to see that the username good items is here and also the date in which they were posted. And I'm not sure we have another example, but we could look uh over here. Um, Item ID 1 and 2 tanks. So what was that? Cell phone and laptop. So we select another category, cell phone, laptop, and you search, and the user pops up. So the user is able to select the categories, and then it'll return the user and the categories. So now we go to users who only posted excellent items. So for this one, I had already made like a test one in our database, and I gave it the name good items. So this user is only going to post items that receive good reviews. So for this one, good items has item ID 14 and 15. And if we go to reviews, review ID 13 and 14 belongs to those 2 items. And you can see they were both given excellent and nice description, or a good description, sorry. So if we were to put good items, I'm not sure if it's good items, sorry. And then you see the items that were posted that had good reviews. I think, not sure if we have another one. This is reviews. I think it was test one. Could be wrong. What did test one have? We'll just put test one, just see what pops up. Yep, the PS5, electronics. This was item ID 6. And if we go to the review for item ID 6, we see that the rating was excellent and the description was positive. So there you go. And this is with only excellent or good reviews. So anything that's not that will not show up, which is why the other ones didn't pop up. So now we go with users with the most items posted on a certain day. So here we're able to check the date and see who posted the most items. So for today, good username, good items, and test 3 are both tied with 2 items posted. And you're gonna see this a lot because since we're only limited, or the user is limited to 2 items per day, uh, the highest you could probably see is 2. So that's another reason for that. And then we go to the 29th, I believe. Username Manny only posted 1. The 28th, Tangs was the only one with 2 items posted. Now the 30th, it was a tie between 3 users, Tang, test 1, and test 3. You see that, and we could also just quickly verify that on the database. Here you could see good items with its 2 on the 5th. The 30th, there was actually a lot, but it was split between, as we saw, test 1, Tangs, and test 3. So that seems to be working. Now we go back to reports. And here we had users who have only posted poor reviews. So they're most likely having bad luck or they just don't like what they've been receiving. And the only one we have right now is angry. And if we go to the database and we go to reviews, just refresh it real quick. You can see here username angry has given 1, 2, 3 poor ratings or poor reviews on certain items on item ID 4, 8, and 10. And they both have, or they all have, very bad reviews in terms of its rating and description. We go back to reports, and then we have users who have not received any poor reviews on their items. And that is obviously good items sorry, since they only posted 2 things and they were both very positive. Then you have Manny and Test One. Manny only posted 1 thing, which was a laptop, and I believe item ID 3. Yep, that got an excellent rating. And who was the other one? Test One. Test One posted a couple things, which were item IDs 7 and 11. And here they are, fair and excellent. And number 11 hasn't been reviewed yet, but item ID 6 and 7, which were a PS5 and a PS3. They seem to have gotten good reviews, got excellent and fair, which is everything other than poor. So that means that they're gonna end up here. And yeah, that is all the different things that we had implemented for this phase. Thank you.